What's the meaning of cleanser? Cleanser. Cleanser.
Cleanser. Cleanser. A cleanser is a type of personal care product that is used to remove dirt, oil, and other impurities from the skin. It helps to unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and maintain a healthy complexion. Cleansers come in various forms, such as foaming cleansers, cream-based cleansers, oil-based cleansers, and micellar water. Using a cleanser regularly can help to improve the overall texture and appearance of the skin, leaving it feeling clean, refreshed, and rejuvenated. By removing impurities from the skin, cleansers can also help other skincare products, such as moisturizers and serums, to absorb better and work more effectively.